Hey there, Carrie. This is Alexis with Webling's Web Design, and today in this video I want to show you 3 things you can do to bring in more customers by ranking up in Google and beating your competitors. The 3 things are, first is going to be content, the second is going to be citations, and the third is going to be backlinks. So let's get started on content. Your content on your page, your pictures are beautiful. Everything's beautifully laid out, but Google likes to see about 1,500 words on the front page here, but you have about 500. So just getting some more content on there would be great. And then you see these pictures here. Google likes them to be saved properly, and they need to be saved as keywords here. So I can show you by clicking here and going to save image as, and right here need to be saved as a proper keyword that you're going to be wanting search for. Those are the 2 things you can do there. And the second is going to be citation. Citation is your name, your number, and your address all on a website. So, and that has to do with this map pack here on Google. The citation is what's going to rank you on this map pack here. And let's see. I am not seeing you here. Nope. So what's gonna help you with this is it's called White Spark, and it basically shows you that you have 26 citations, but your competitors have 109 more than what you have. So this is what's gonna get you up there in that map pack. So you're wanting to go down here to this opportunities here, and these are going to be all the opportunities that you have to outrank your competitors. You're going to want to get all these and more to be number 1 in that. And that's just that. So the third thing is backlinks, and this is called Ahrefs. So this is you, this is your company, and here are your backlinks. The backlinks are, I want to start off by saying they are all created, none of them are created equally. They build different amount of trust here. So if you go in here and click your backlinks, this DR right here is the trust. So the higher this number, the more trusted that link is from Google. So you're going to want to get in there and get some high ones. These are yours. So I want to show you one of your competitors. This White's Plumbing is one of your competitors. See, they have 239 backlinks, but if you click in here, they also have all these high numbers. All these 90s, 91s, these are why they are ranking above yours. You're just going to want to do the same thing as in White Spark. You're going to want to go in here, get your competitors, and these are all their backlinks that they have. And you're just going to want to get in here and get their backlinks and get yourself on that page as well to build your trust and to outrank them. So those are the 3 things you can do. That's content, that's citations, and that's backlinks. These are all going to help you rank up to number 1 in Google very easily. With that being said, I just wanted to keep this short and sweet. If you would like to contact us and get a game plan going, please feel free at 765-639-9289. Thank you.